Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at one of these OBD2 USB memory saver devices, right? So when you change your battery, something like that, invariably you're going to be losing your clock and your ECU setting. Almost everything goes into reset mode. So this device paired with an external power source should be able to relieve that problem. Right. So what I have to do, I have a little cleaning of my positive battery terminal to do. I want to remove the terminal to clean the pole properly. So I decided, hey, why not do a video on how to use this? Now, I've never done this before. Okay, never done it before. So let's see how it works. All right. So the instructions say that we're to plug the USB side in first. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll turn this guy on here. All right, perfect. All right, so according to the instructions for this one, this light is supposed to be the only one that's on and one beep. Anything other than that, something is wrong. So we're still in good stead. The next thing to do is, and this is the 2013 Nissan Note, is to find the OBD2 port, and we have it right there. Is it not focusing? Is it not focusing? Okay, so we're gonna put this in position here. Okay, so is it not focusing? Why is it not focusing? Anyway, so that's plugged in. Let's check and see. Oh, our power source went out. Okay, here we go. All right, perfect. Two lights on, one beep. Perfect. So we're ready to go. So let's go around to the engine and see what's going on. Okay, so as you can see, lots of crud here. Lots of crud there. So let's go ahead and remove the negative terminal first. This is what we're supposed to do. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing now is just testing it. So I've removed the negative terminal. So let's put it back on and see what we get. Let's see if our battery or our clock has reset. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. And it did not work. Perfect. Did not work. All right, must have done something wrong. I'll have to look back at it. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, so this did not work. Now, one of the things I noticed when I went back to the car the first time is that the power supply was off. Okay, not sure why, but in subsequent, testing, I ensured that the power supply remained on throughout the whole process. But it still did not work. Okay, now according to the instructions which I have right here, and I'm going to be putting it up here on the screen. When you plug the USB into the power supply, the indicator lights 2, 3, and 4 light up, and the buzzer beeps. Okay, and then the uh, indicator light 2, indicator light 2 lights up, and indicator lights 3 and 4 go off. Okay, we saw that. Okay, then when you connect the unit into the OBD2 interface, okay, lights 2 and 3 should light up, okay, and light 4 goes out, okay, which we saw that, okay. But what it says here, and when the battery is removed from the terminal, from the negative terminal, battery is removed, indicator lights 2 and 4 should be on, and the indicator light 3 should be off. I didn't check that, but I don't think in this case that that happened. But I will, it's something to look at. Okay, but I'm not entirely sure why this didn't work. If the problem lies with the power supply, or if the problem lies with the memory saver unit. But this is something that I'll continue to look at. Okay, but for the moment, I'm gonna have to say that this did not work. Now, it didn't work for my car. Now, I'm not saying that all of these OBD to USB memory saver devices don't work, but this one didn't work for me, and it didn't work for my car. Okay? So we're just gonna leave it at this point and saying, okay, it didn't work. But I'm going to be looking at this, and if and when I come up with something, I might do another video, or I will do another video, if and when it does work. Okay, but anywho, it is what it is, and I suppose every video can't be a huge success story. We saw that with the overhead console in the 2013 Mazda 6. Okay, so anyway, that's about it. And, guys, really appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.